Hello crafty friends and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to share with you this beautiful hot cocoa bar station I created myself. I was so inspired by other YouTubers that I decided to just make one of my own. I absolutely love the idea. I love the coziness. I love the fact that we can celebrate each night or almost every other night with hot cocoa, me and my girls. And they also loved it too. So I'm going to show you and tell you exactly what I did and where I purchased each item. So to begin with, we'll start up top. Well, first of all, the 2-tier tray was from Hobby Lobby. I did have a gift card and I was able to use it to purchase it. I did use a 40% coupon. I believe that was $24.99 with the 40% coupon, so it came out a lot less, and luckily I had my gift card and I was able to purchase it. Also at Hobby Lobby, I bought this little beautiful bottle that says Believe. It was super cute, and I decided to just take it with my 2-tier tray. That's how it started. It started with the 2-tier tray and then this bottle, and then I worked my way around it. Then I made a stop at the Dollar Tree. In the Dollar Tree, I was able to purchase these glass jars where you store the marshmallows and the chocolate chips. And then I purchased this mug that says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." And then I purchased also this penguin mug. I realized when I was making this and assembling it, I didn't have too many Christmas mugs. So going to the Dollar Tree really helped me just add more mugs. So that was fun. The one back in the back that looks like a Santa, that one was already, I already had it at home. So I don't even remember where I got that one, but I took it out of my mugs and I was like, ooh, I have another mug. So I added that to it. So Dollar Tree, what else did I buy? I bought this little cute tree at the Dollar Tree. And that was it for Dollar Tree. Next off, I did go to Michael's. I bought these 2 beautiful picks. They were also $1 because I got them at 50% off. I believe they were $2, but 50% off was $1. And Michael's purchase was also this gingerbread cutie. He's also, well, she's a pig, I guess, because she has a pink candy cane. And I figured that would be perfect for just to go into the mug. And then I also bought this bottle brush, which was 50%. I believe I spent the most on this tree. I think it was about, I don't know if it was $3 or $2, something like that. But this was also 50%. And then I bought these snowflakes. These snowflakes come in a pick. So I took them apart and just put them on there. And back there, if you notice, there's styrofoam because that sign came from the Target Dollar Spot. That's the only thing that came from Target Dollar Spot. I was having such a hard time just finding a cute little sign. And since it wasn't tall enough and it doesn't stand on its own, I had to just elevate it with a little block of styrofoam. And then I just covered it up with the snowflakes, as you can see. I might be buying more snowflakes, but I'm not sure. Because on the side, you can tell there is no snowflakes, so I probably will buy more snowflakes at Michael's if I have a chance. But other than that, I think it looks perfect. And then at Michael's, I bought this crate. I was having a hard time figuring out where would I put my cocoa packets. I was thinking maybe I should put it inside the mug. It just didn't look right. So I found this cute little crate for 99 cents at Michael's. It's in the wooden section, the unfinished wood. So I purchased this one. I painted it white. And I did add a little bit of glitter, if you can see. And then this cute little thing was also at Michael's. This is during that, when you're walking past towards the cash registers, there are baskets, and they have like a whole bunch of items for $2, $3, $4. So I purchased this little cute clip. I'm going to show you the package. Hold on, let me grab that package for you. I believe it was Craft Smart. So yeah, the packet is from Craft Smart chalkboard clothespins. These come in so handy. I didn't even realize they had these until now, but I can have a million uses for this. This is so neat. So what I did was I cut with my Silhouette a little hot cocoa vinyl, and then I just put it on my sign. And that's pretty much it. I covered it all, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this holiday season with your friends and family. Lots of blessings to each and every one of you, and I hope I inspired you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and don't forget to give this video a big like. Comment below, tell me what you think. Are you inspired to create your own little hot cocoa bar station? And thanks so much for watching. Until next time, and God bless. Bye-bye.